Good morning, students. Welcome back to another lecture on Gray's elegy. Full many a gem of purest ray serene brightness. The dark, unfathomed caves of ocean bear, unfathomed, immeasurable, atha. Listen up on it. Full many flower is born to blush unseen, blush bloom, and waste its sweetness on the desert air. Ah, beautiful lines. In these lines, the poet says that many people, that the dead forefathers of the villagers lying buried in these graves might have great capabilities, might have talents, might have exceptional qualities, but due to lack of opportunity, they could not display their qualities. I told you in my last lecture, it happens in the society also. It happens. So it happens in the society also. So if they had got an opportunity to show their talent, their quality, they could also achieve name and fame. The poet makes this point clear by two beautiful examples. Okay, the poet says that there are many beautiful, wonderful gems, exceptionally bright and beautiful, but they lie at the bottom of the immeasurably deep oceans. They do not, these gems remain unknown to the outer world because nobody comes to know about those gems. So they remain unknown. In the same way, full many of flowers. There are many flowers which bloom in the wilderness of the forest. But and waste its sweetness on the desert air. But nobody comes to know about their fragrance because they bloom and wither away in the isolation, in the desert, where nobody is there to notice their fragrance. In the same way, just as the gems remain, the most beautiful gems remain unknown, just as the sweetest flowers go unnoticed, nobody notices their fragrance. In the same way, there are so many people in the society who are exceptionally gifted, but due to lack of opportunity or due to adverse circumstances, nobody notices them, or the world does not come to know about their qualities. So their qualities go unnoticed. Some village Hampton, that with dauntless breast, the little talent of his fields with his in this stanza poet says, okay, in this graveyard, the rude forefathers of the villages are lying buried. Maybe they had exceptional qualities when they were alive, but they could not show their qualities. Some village Hampton, the poet says that maybe some villager who had the courage of Hampton, maybe lying buried in this graveyard, that with dauntless breast, just as Hampton opposed the ship tax levied by the then king, denied to pay the tax, show his courage, and denied to pay the tax. It needed great courage to challenge a king. But Hampden did this. But because Hampden got the opportunity, he displayed his quality, and now the world knows about him. Maybe some villager might have had the same quality, the same courage as Hampden had, but did not get the opportunity to display. So the world doesn't know about him. Some mute inglorious Milton might hear me rest. Inglorious unknown. Maybe Milton was a great poet, and since he got an opportunity to to show his talent, his poetic quality, and the result is the world knows him. But maybe some villager who had the same poetic talent that Milton had. But the difference is Milton got the opportunity, but the villager, due to his poverty, due to adverse circumstances, did not get the opportunity to show his poetic talent. So, mute, without showing his inglorious, unknown. The world, he had the talent of Milton, but the world does not know him. He is not he could not achieve name and fame. Some Cromwell, guiltless of his country's blood. Maybe in this graveyard, someone, a great patriot like Cromwell, might be lying buried in this graveyard. But Cromwell got the opportunity, and the villager did not. So he could not achieve name and fame. Okay? The applause of listening senates to command. Senates, Sansad, command letters. The poet says that in this graveyard, some villager who had the quality of a great speaker, great orator, great politician, great statesman might be lying buried. But he did not get the opportunity to show his talent. So the world does not know him. If he had got an opportunity to show his talent, to address a senate, the senate would have realized, the world would have come to know about him. Thank you.